Zinat, can you explain the importance of shairi in our day-to-day life? Means, if we wish to be a good speaker, how does shairi help us to be a good speaker, to speak beautifully, to speak in a very impressive way? Can you explain its importance?
Yes, sir. The couplet or shairi is very important for all human being, and because it shows your expression, it can improve your vocabulary or
Also thinking
also
power.
thinking power.
So we
If
can think well.
you can think well if you are writing or writing or
Speaking
citing any couplet or shairi. It means it shows you have good mind or sense of humor. That's why you are reading very deep thing.
Yes, to be a good speaker, to be a good thinker, we must read shairi with interest. We should try to understand its meaning also.
Yes, sir.
Zinat, which type of couplet would you like to recite today?
I have a very special couplet which I'm going to recite today. It's like that. 4 दिन की ज़िंदगी में किससे कतरा के चलूँ, 4 दिन की ज़िंदगी में किससे कतरा के चलूँ, खाक हूँ मैं खाक पर क्या खाक इतरा के चलूँ.
वेरी नाइस. 4 दिन की जिंदगी में किससे कतरा के चलूं, खाक हूँ मैं खाक पर क्या खाक इतरा के चलूं. So which type of message do we get from this beautiful couplet? Can you explain it in English?
Yes, sir, I can. It has a very special and deep meaning because it's couplet, that's why. And it shows that everything which took birth or curated on this earth has to vanish.
Yeah.
Because, and I'm going to give you example, we always see that mountain is very great and very strong, but it come to but when it come to time of volcano and a landslide, it turned into dust, and we have seen with naked eyes like. So if mountain has to vanish and it's very great, so what about us? We are also just an ordinary human beings, so we never be proud on
We
ourselves.
should never have pride.
Yeah, we should never have pride because pride is a worst thing.
Pride is strongly
It's
disliked by
strongly
God.
disliked by
God
God.
doesn't like pride.
Yes, sir.
And we should not forget our existence.
Our
God has
existence
made us of
made
dust.
us of a dust.
Okay,
And
in the Bible, it has been written, all go unto one place, all are of the dust, and all turn to dust again. It means that we human beings have been made of dust, so we should not forget our own existence. We should never have pride. So this message we get. One more message which we get is that 4 दिन की जिंदगी में किससे कतरा के चलूं. It means that we must have good relationship with everyone. So what's your opinion about it?
you are saying right that because we have only 60 years or 20 years on this earth, because that's the maximum age of human being which he or she live. So we should be humble in this age, in this life. We should curate good relationship with each other. We should never fight or do something bad which can harm the people.
Okay. Do you get this type of message in the Holy Quran? Because God has made us of dust. So do we get this kind of message in the Holy Quran?
Yes, in Surah Taha, ayat number 55, it means verse number 55, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that minha khalaqnakum wa fiha nu'idukum wa minha nukhrijukum taratan ukhra.
Very nice. Can you translate it into Hindi or Urdu?
Yes sir, I can translate it. The God is saying that हमने तुम्हें इसी मिट्टी से पैदा किया और इसी में लौटा रहे हैं और फिर वापस इसी मिट्टी से उठाएंगे.
Please also explain it in English.
Yes sir. God says that from the earth we created you, and into it we will return you, and from it we will bring you back again. So you should never be proud on yourself.
Yes, we should always remember what we are.
What we are.
We should have no pride.
We should
have
no pride.
good relation with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for explaining this beautiful couplet. Now, Amna, which couplet would you like to recite today?
I have a very beautiful couplet to recite. बेटियाँ सबके मुकद्दर में कहाँ होती हैं, बेटियाँ सबके मुकद्दर में कहाँ होती हैं, घर खुदा को जो पसंद आए वहाँ होती हैं.
Very nice. Can you explain the message of this couplet in English?
Yes, I can explain.
Please explain it.
The message is, it shows that the value of daughter in our life. Daughters are blessings of God, not curse. God says, when I feel happy with any person, I give him a baby girl. Even in Hindu religion, girls are worshipped.
And they are also regarded as wealth, as Lakshmi in Hindu
Yes.
religion.
And
So-
girls are also regarded as Lakshmi, which means wealth.
Yes, yes. So girls are doing better in every field nowadays. We
Yes,
should
sir.
educate them. We should try to understand their value. In Hindi, it has been rightly said that
People
कोमल
should-
है.
yes, sir.
One couplet I would like to recite regarding doubters. कोमल है कमज़ोर नहीं तू, शक्ति का नाम ही नारी है. कोमल है कमज़ोर नहीं तू, शक्ति का नाम ही नारी है. जग को जीवन देने वाली मौत भी तुझसे हारी है. So, do you think should we promote girls in this age?
Yes, people should change their mentality about girls.
And they should give proper weightage to them.
Yes, sir.
They should not think that they are tension. They are equal to 10 sons. They
Yes,
are not
sir.
tension. Very
They
good.
they should give proper education,
Yes.
and we should save girls' child.
We should not think that they are cursed. They are
Yes.
blessing.
They are blessings. Yes,
Very
of
nice.
course.
Iqra, would you like to recite any shairi?
Yes, I have a very beautiful शायरी. is
Please
that-
recite.
हैरत है कि तालीमो तरक्की में है पीछे, हैरत है कि तालीमो तरक्की में है पीछे, जिस कौम का आगाज़ ही इकरा से हुआ था.
Very nice couplet. हैरत है कि तालीम और तरक्की में है पीछे, जिस कौम का आगाज़ ही इकरा से हुआ था. Can you explain it in English? Which type of message do we get?
The main message of this couplet is that we must be educated because we know education is our fundamental right, and in Islam also education is compulsory.
It is mandatory also on
Yes.
both men and women.
Women.
Okay.
The Holy Quran is started with the term Iqra, which means to read. So
To
we
read.
must read.
Yes, we must read, and your name is also Iqra.
Yes.
So we all must read. So the message is that education is very important.
Very important.
Without education, we cannot get success.
Success.